It's here. It's finally here. It's finally here. It's the new science kit. This is the robot box. This is the block box. Oh, what's this? What's this? Oh. Also empty. I have to organize them like this. That's a lot of work. So here you can see the different drawers. The top drawer is the remote control and the sensors and the little toy car. That's programmable. So I go to the computer and I write the computer program. And down below, the two other drawers, that's for other engineering concepts like load bearing and bridge building and simple machines. And so yeah, it took me about 15 minutes to put it all away. Not too bad, but we'll be able to play with it for a long, long time.
Moving alligator model. Have you seen an alligator? It can snap its long mouth and swing its tail. My team made it a normal model, moving model.
My textbook question was, what can I make with articulating blocks? I think I can make animal because animal can move. And I thought I will use Excel block much. I like articulating blocks because it makes the feeling of movement.
First, we observed about new blocks which help to make moving model.
Touch and think about how blocks are used.
Next, I plan what model we will make. My team agreed, so we started to make it.
We used 6 risers, 9 half beams, 4 blocks, 2 double single snap blocks, and 3 hinge blocks for mouth. 2 snapping wheel made eye. Hexagon block makes leg move back and forth. Gear tooth made back bump.
But we had a problem.
Teacher, sorry.
It's okay.
Hinge block made tail move.
But we had a problem. Body's length was 3 blank, head length was 2 blank, so we couldn't put head on middle. We fixed head length to 3 blank. It was still cute alligator.
Our free design structure was similar to real alligator.
I thought she is made better than the real. Next time I will plan it more detailed.
Presentation of robot hand.
I made hand with Hangyo last Friday.
We had 2 teams and goal is use articulating blocks to make moving structure. I observed another blocks that we didn't see. I asked, how can I collaborate with Daniel?
Are there any good things that I can make with the materials I learned today?
I guess Daniel wants to make car. And we talked. But Daniel wants to make tank. And I want to make hands.
So I talked with Hangyo and we decided to make hand.
We can use gear tooth, axle block, and hinge block if we make hand.
We started to make right hand, but we spent a lot of time to think about how to make fingers.
But and hinge blocks were efficient, so we delete some joints. Next time we will make more nicely.
And we will use some blocks that we didn't use.